Hello, my name is Mark Mansour and today we are going to be developing an EPiServer. In the previous tutorial we learned about property attributes, and in this tutorial we are going to be learning about content attributes. Attributes pretty much control the behavior of the property. It's the same way with content. The attribute will control the behavior of the content. So let's move on to Visual Studio. By default, when you create a page type, you're going to get a content type attribute, and it's going to be assigned these values: display name, GUID, and description. So there's nothing we need to change here. The only thing you need to do is you need to create a page type, a controller, and a view, because we're going to need two page types for this tutorial. So before you move on, pause the video, create your content, and then play again. So now that you have created your second page, it's going to look like this. You're going to have two pages. I named my second page Epic Page, and my first page is Start Page. Now we have two attributes, one in each, both of type content type. And I'm going to show you just what this does. So we're going to run the compiler. We're going to type /EPiServer/CMS. Now we're going to have to log in. Now before we proceed, I just want to remind you, last time we tried to create a page, it didn't offer us any options on which page we wanted to create because we only had one page to offer. Well, this time it's going to be a different story, and I'm going to go to the root page and I'm going to press New Page. Now we're going to get two options here. We have Epic Page and we have Start Page. And this has no description while this one does. But both of them don't have any logo assigned to them right now. Now if we go back to Visual Studio, you will see the Epic Page has no description here. But if we go to Start Page, this is Start Page. So this is what the attribute is doing to the page. It's assigning it a behavior that it did not have before. So we're going to continue and we're going to assign this a logo. So we're going to type like this: image URL. And in case you haven't got a picture on your computer, I downloaded mine from Google. I created a new folder in my static folder and I called the folder image, and then I placed a picture in this folder and I named it picture.png. So I'm gonna do this: /static/image/picture.png. Now if we run this, our start page is going to have a logo. Let's try. Now if I go to the root page and I press New Page, now you can see that my start page has a logo to it. Now if we go back to the compiler, now we just have one more attribute we need to add: available content types, available specific, include, new, select this one, type of Epic Page. So what we're saying now is the content that we can create beneath the start page is of type Epic Page. And the content we can't create beneath this page is exclude on new, type of Start Page. Now if I run this, now if I go to the root page and I create a new start page and we name this Start 1. Now if we press here and we press New Page, it's not going to offer me any page types that I can select, because the page we are going to create is going to be of the type Epic Page. because it's the only page we have to offer. So epic page. And as you can see here, it's already of type epic page. It doesn't matter what I name this. The only thing that matters is the type. So I can name this banana, and the type is still going to be epic page. Now, I cannot create a start page beneath this page, but beneath the epic page, I'm going to be able to create a start page. So I can type start2 here, and it's going to work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.